So welcome to this video. So this topic is standard notation. So this topic is called what? Standard notation. You would have heard about this topic before. So they normally call it what? Standard form. So that's what we normally call standard form. So you need to know this topic. So because most of the times we normally use it in physics. So it is very crucial. So a number is expressed in standard form as n times 10 raised to power 9 10 raised to power a, where 1 is less than or equals to a, less than or equals to 10, and n is an integer. What are integers? Integers are positive and negative numbers, so like -2, 1, 3, but they are different from 3/2. 3/2 is not an integer, but we just have minus. So I hope you understand. So that's it. Now, to express a number in a standard form, write the number as a times multiples of 10, or a divided by multiples of 10. So express the multiple of 10 as 10 raised to power n. Then what again? So meaning that 10 is multiplied by itself in n times. N is equals to the number of places by which the decimal point is shifted. So it is positive. So if it is positive if the decimal point is shifted to the right, to the left, and negative if it is shifted to the right. Please take note of this statement, because these are the things we will be taking note of. So let's go to the example. So this is the first example we have. Now you need to know something, that for every number, for example, let's say number 1, if you have 1 is, you can still write 1 is what? 1.0. You can still write 1 like 1.00. So this 0 at the back, it has no meaning. So it means this number, I can rewrite it like 7890100.0. Now whenever you want to express a number in standard form, it should be like this. 7 points. No, I don't want to use that. It should be like this, maybe 2.8 times 10 raised to power 3. It should be in this word, in this form, or 2.0 times 10 raised to power 3. It should be in this word, in this form. So that's what we call what? Standard form. So now for me to make this to be in what? To be in this form, I will be shifting these decimal points. I'll be shifting it one by one until it reach this place. You know that when it reaches this place, it's going to look like this. I hope you understand. So, and here is the law that if the decimal point is shifted to the left, what should be our power? Our power will be what? Positive. But negative if it is shifted to what? To the right. But here, for us to get something like 2.0 or 2.8, we need to shift to the what? To the left. So it means our 10 raised to power, the positive will be on top of it. So now let's bring this decimal. Let's bring it for the first time. So it's now what? 1. Don't mind the thing. So it's what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now our standard form will now what? 7.89 times 10 raised to power what? How many times do we really take it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that is what? That is 10 raised to power 6. So that's how we do it. If you look at this, I didn't put minus because we shift the decimal to the what? To the left. And the rule is that whenever we shift to the left, the power here will be what? Positive. Now let's do the second question. So now for us to express this one also like this one, what we have to do is that we are going to shift to the right. And I told you when you shift to the right, what will happen to the 10 raised to power what? So it will be 10 raised to power negative number. So let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I hope you understand. So we now have 2.07. How many do we shift it? So we shift it what? 5 times. But we shift the decimal to the right side. So it will now be what? 10 raised to power -5. So this is how we do it. I hope you understand. So this is how we do standard notation. So let me give you some example, some classwork, or let's call it assignments. Okay, let's do classwork. So it will now be what? Let me give you. So the first question is, so comma is different from decimal. Please don't make a mistake. So this number is like if I write 361700, so they are the same thing. We just use comma to identify them. So we now have B. So we now have 0.0003617. So we also have C here, which is what? 1 over 1000. So let me tell you how to do a question like this to express this in standard form. What we are going to do for this one is just 1 over 10,000, right? So what you have to do is, how many 0 is here? That is what? 4. So it means it is what? 1 over 10 raised to the power 4. According to what we do in indices, if you want to change this to, if you want to make it to stand on its own, it's going to be what? 10 raised to the power minus 4. So I hope you understand. So just put this one, just say it is what? 1 times 10 raised to the power minus 4. So you have done it. So I will remove it from your classwork. Please, do you understand the way? If you don't understand the way, this one is what I bring here, and this 10 raised to the power 4, I bring it up. By bringing it up, I put minus. So that's all. So let me remove it from the assignment. So that's that for this video.